In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check how much storage is left in Google Drive. Before we start, a quick note on why this matters. Your Google storage is shared across Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos. If you run out, you might not be able to upload files, receive emails, or back up photos, so checking your storage regularly helps you avoid surprises and keep things running smoothly. First, open your web browser and go to Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, sign in with your Google account so you can access your files. Once Drive loads, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with options like My Drive and Shared with Me. In that same panel, click on Storage. This is the dedicated place where Google shows exactly how much space you've used and what's taking it up. When the storage page opens, you'll get a clear overview of your account's capacity. At the top, you'll usually see how many gigabytes you've used out of your total, along with a simple bar that fills up as you use more space. Right there, you'll also notice a breakdown by service, showing how much is used by Drive, by Gmail, and by Photos. This context is useful because it lets you quickly pinpoint whether big files, email attachments, or backed up photos are the main contributors. Scroll down a bit and you'll see your files and drives sorted by size, from largest to smallest. This view makes it easy to identify the biggest space hogs at a glance. You can click on any file to preview it, confirm what it is, and decide whether you still need it. If you do choose to remove something, be sure it's no longer required, especially if it was shared or used in a project. A quick review helps prevent accidental data loss. The storage page also includes options to manage space across Drive, Gmail, and Photos. For example, you can review large files and old versions in Drive, look at bulky email attachments in Gmail, and check high-resolution photos and videos in Photos. Using these options, you can tidy up where it matters most, without having to hunt through each service manually. As you make changes, keep in mind that your available space may take a moment to update. You can always come back to the storage section anytime to monitor your usage and keep things under control. And that's it. Open Google Drive, click Storage on the left, and review the detailed breakdown to see what's using space and manage it confidently.